Right here in Universe Sandbox, we have a system of two masses. We know the mass of both the bodies here, because it is the Earth and Jupiter, and they are accurate to their mass. And they are exactly 1 billion meters apart from each other. How long will it take before they collide? Now this sounded like an interesting problem that I wanted to tackle. And I came up with this expression right here that this should give me the time it takes for them to collide. And I inputted all the correct data right here. They are 1 billion meters apart. The final displacement, so this is the displacement of the Earth. So let's say I wanted to know the time it takes for it to move, 10,000 kilometers, somewhere around here. Then it will give me the time it takes for the Earth to end up right here. But I inputted the displacement, so it should be right before it hits Jupiter. So that's what the final displacement is, and then of course the mass of the Earth, and the mass of Jupiter, which is just 318 times the mass of the Earth, and the gravitational constant. Input it all in this equation, we should get the amount of time it takes for them to collide. Let me put it off on the side because I actually haven't inputted it into the timer. So right here, the equation says 97,718 seconds. Bam, we put that in there, and we start. Hopefully it should work. As you can see, pretty much perfect. Right before it collides, and that's pretty cool. So the equation did work. Let's try this again with a new simulation. Right here, I'm just going to really quickly do this. So still, and we're just going to have two Earths actually, so it's going to be pretty simple. You put an Earth right there. You put an Earth exactly 100,000 kilometers away. Okay, so now to input the data, I just subtracted the 0 from there, so now it's 100,000 kilometers away. This should be halfway. Oh, it should be that. Minus the radius of the Earth, which should be around, I believe it's that. And it's millions, 6,371,000 meters. And we simply say that the other mass is just equal to the mass of the Earth, which is cool. Okay, so it says right here that the time it takes should be 38,550 seconds. So let's put that to the side. Have a timer here. 38,552 seconds. And yeah, let's start it. Let's see if this is accurate. It should be right before it collides. As you can see, the equation did work. It's around, if I do the math right here, 38,550 seconds divided by 60 divided by 60. That's around 10.7 hours. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching.